Today, I will show you how I make this monthly planner booklet. You can use it next year or give it to your family and friends. You can also put stickers on the cover to personalize your planner. Please check the links in the description to know where to download the template. You can also download free printable planners that you can use for this project. Okay, let's begin. You will need the following materials to make this planner booklet: the planner pages, the board cover, and a stapler. You will also need some clips, a ruler, a paper cutter, and some stickers to decorate your planner. We will be making an A6 size monthly planner, so I printed the planner pages as a booklet on A5 size paper. I also printed guidelines on the board cover to help me cut it in half and make an A5 size cover. I scored the board cover with a blunt object so I can easily fold it in half. Remember to check the planner pages to see if they are in the correct order before clipping them together with the board cover. I will be needing my reading glasses to do the next step. Use a booklet stapler or a regular stapler to bind the pages together. I follow the score line to make sure that I staple at the center of the booklet. Remove the clips and fold the pages one by one. Start at the center and fold each page carefully. Put some heavy books on top of your planner to flatten it. At this point, I realize I don't have heavy books in my house. You can trim the edges of the planner to make it look neater. However, I'm not very good at doing this step, so I decided to skip it instead. Here is the final monthly planner booklet. You can decorate it with stickers or gift it with stickers to your favorite friends and family. Remember to check the links in the description to know where to download your planner template. You'll also find links where to download free printables that you can use for this project. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye!